everybody, thank you for joining me at Lori Houston Art. We are going to do a quick flower pop, and today I am using Arteza's Ready pouring paints. I've never used Arteza's pouring paints and got some on Black Friday. I've got Mystic Lilac, Luxurious Blue, Fluorescent Lively Pink, Moody Blue, and I'm going to swipe, I think, with Playful Pink. It looks white, but that's what we're going to do. Fluorescent Mystic Lilac. Pretty. Texture looks good for a flower pop. That's good. These ready to mix paints, with the exception of Hippie Crafter, which I love. They really don't do well with these flower pops. They tend to dry with a lot of cracking. I will say Hippie Crafters, they dry very thick, but it gives it a raise effect and it's beautiful. Okay, this pink here. Beautiful. All right. I'm going to tip it about, I think. I don't think I'm going to mix it. I'm just going to tip it and then see what I get here. We'll see how it covers the edges, the coverages as well. I might have to paint the edges first. We'll see. This is just a test. See how it comes out. Okay, pretty colors. And, it's going to be pretty cool to swipe with this. So we're going to, yep, see the iridescence in it? I love it. All right, iridescent pink. And we're going to go down the side a little bit here, just to the corners, so that when I swipe, there's enough in here to pull. All right. Crossed. Okay, that's fine. We can leave the top as like that, and we're gonna pull low. Yeah, this really grabbed on to the paints. That's okay. I wish I'd done this with a square rectangle, regular canvas, but that's okay. Just because these colors are luxurious. Okay. I'm going to tip this about first before doing anything. All right, I'm going to start here. I'm going to blow starting there. There we go. Okay, I'm going to start a vine flower. I think I'm going to use maybe some of this bright pink. We're going to do like this off the canvas. All right. Where's another one? And we'll do one over here, same way. Don't like that. Okay, so what I'm going to do, we're going to take a little paint. There we go. Okay, I'm gonna do there. I'm gonna go this way now, off the canvas. Okay, blow these petals off. Okay, I like that. Little thin for me though. Okay. I'm gonna do a bunch, just all over the canvas, different petals. I'm gonna do one here in the center. Okay. And we'll do the pink again. And we're gonna go down. That ought to fill in, I would think. If it doesn't, you can put a little paint in here. Yeah. Okay. Let's see. Nope, too dark. Let's use some of this purple now. With a dot of pink in it. There we go. Okay. And we're going to come down with pink again. Pink one on top. No, that's okay. There we go. What did we say? Did we do dot of pink? There we go. There we go. Pretty. I do like it. Let's torch. I'm anxious to see how it turns out. Do love the colors. It's very pretty. Let's go down for close-up. These colors just go beautiful together. I love that iridescent pink. Who would have known? The canvas is showing through on one flower. I can actually fix that very easily. Go up. Oh my gosh, these colors are so dreamy. Beautiful. Love, love, love. Love. Let's go down and look at this flower. And this one. Okay, let's look at those dried results. I want to thank everyone for your continued support on my journey with my flower pops. This painting turned out beautiful. I absolutely love it. I hope to see you on the next one. Take care. Till next time.